Being driven by the wind is not freedom. It is bondage in disguise. It is when a person lives without principle, drifting from one opinion to another, following trends, desires, or emotions without grounding. Such a life may feel adventurous at first, but it leaves a person empty, unsettled, and lost. God calls us to live anchored in Him, not swayed every circumstances. Stability comes when we root ourselves in His word, His promises, and His guidance. To resist driven by the wind is to stand firm in purpose, choosing direction instead of confusion. Life becomes meaningful when we walk with intention. Let's not be driven by the wind of this world, but by the Spirit of truth. Yes.